Selena, Class 10, Chapter 6, Solving Problems on Quadratic Equation. Exercise 6E, sum number 1. The distance by road between two towns A and B is 216 kilometers and by rail it is 208 kilometers. A car travels at a speed of x km per hour and the train travels at a speed which is 16 km per hour faster than the car. Calculate number 1 the time taken by the car to reach town B from A in terms of x. 2 time taken by the train to reach town B from A in terms of x. Third, if the train takes 2 hours less than the car to reach the town B, obtain an equation in x and solve it. Fourth, hence find the speed of the train. Let speed of the car x km per hour, speed of train x plus 16 km per hour. Time taken, distance upon speed. Time taken for car to reach town B from A is equals to 216 upon x hours. Time taken by train to reach town B from A is 208 upon x plus 16 hours. Train is taking 2 hours less time. Therefore, time taken by car minus time taken by train equals to 2. 216 upon x minus 208 upon x plus 16 equals to 2. LCM of the denominator is x into x plus 16. Therefore, this term multiply and divide by x plus 16. This term multiply and divide by x. 216 into x plus 16 minus 208x upon x into x plus 16 equal to 2. 216x plus 3456 minus 208x upon x square plus 16x equals to 2. 216 minus 208 8x plus 3456 upon x square plus 16x equals to 2. Cross multiply 4x plus first divide by 2 and then cross multiply. 4x plus 1728 equals to x square plus 16x. Taken to the right, x square 16 minus 4 12x minus 1728 equals to 0. Minus 1728 split into two terms such that its addition is 12, multiplication is minus 1728 plus 48 minus 36. Therefore, x square plus 48x minus 36x minus 1728 equals to 0. X plus 48 into x minus 36 equals to 0. X is equals to minus 48, 36. Speed cannot be negative. Therefore, x is equals to 36 km per hour. Speed of train equals to 36 plus 16 equal to 52 km per hour. Question 2. A trader buys X article for a total cost of rupees 600. First, write down the cost of one article in terms of X. If the cost per article were 5 rupee more, the number of article that can be bought for rupees 600 would be 4 less. Write down the equation in x for the above situation and solve it for x. Let number of article equals to x. Total cost of article equals to rupees 600. Cost of one article is equals to rupees 600 upon x. From the above information, like if the article was 4 less, then the each for cost per article would be 5 rupee more. Therefore, 600 upon x minus 4 minus 600 upon x equal to 5. 600x minus 600 into x plus minus 4 upon x into x minus 4 equal to 5. Open the bracket. 600 minus 600x plus 2400 upon x square minus 4x equals to 5. 600x minus 600x get cancelled. So here it is 2400 upon x square minus 4x is equals to 5. Divide by 5 on both the sides. We get 480 is equals to x square minus 4x. Okay, take to the right. X square minus 4x minus 480 equals to 0. Minus 480 divide into two terms such that its addition is minus 4, multiplication is minus 480. Minus 24 plus 20. X square minus 24x plus 20x minus 480 equals to 0. X minus 24 into x plus 20 equals to 0. X is equals to 24 or minus 20. Since number of article cannot be negative, therefore x equals to 24. Question 3. A hotel bill for a number of people for overnight stay is rupees 4,800. If there were 4 people more, the bill each person has to pay would have reduced by 200. Find the number of people staying overnight. Let the number of people staying overnight be x. Total bill is equals to rupees 4,800. Hotel bill for each person is equals to rupees 4,800 upon x. If there were 4 people more, then each person would have given the money 4,800 upon x plus 4, which was 200 rupees less. Therefore, 4,800 upon x minus 4,800 upon x plus 4 equals to 200 rupees. The LCM of denominator is x into x plus 4. This term multiply and divide by x plus 4. This term multiply and divide by x. 4,800 into x plus 4 minus 4,800x upon x into x plus 4 equals to 200. 4,800x plus 4,800 into 4 minus 4,800x upon x into x plus 4 equal to 200. 4,800x minus 4,800x get cancelled. We get 4,800 into 4 upon x into x plus 4 is equals to 200. Divide by 200 on both the sides. We get 96 upon x square plus 4x equal to 1. Cross multiply. 96 equals to x square plus 4x. 96 taken to the right. We get x square plus 4x minus 96 equals to 0. Minus 96 divide into two terms such that its addition is plus 4, multiplication is minus 96. Plus 12 minus 8. X square plus 12x minus 8x minus 96 equals to 0. X plus 12 into x minus 8 equal to 0. X is equals to minus 12 or 8. Since number of people can't be negative, x is equals to 8. Thus, the number of people staying overnight equals to 8. Sum number 4. An aeroplane travelled a distance of 400 km at an average speed of x km per hour. On return journey, the speed was increased by 40 km per hour. Write down the expression for the time taken for 1. The onward journey. Second, the return journey. If the return journey took 30 minutes less than the onward journey, write down an equation in x and find its value. Distance is equals to 400 km. Let the average speed of the aeroplane be x km per hour. Speed while returning is x plus 40 km per hour. Time is equals to distance upon speed. Time taken for onward journey equals to 400 upon x hours. Time taken for return journey equals to 400 upon x plus 40 hours. Therefore, time taken for onward journey minus time taken for return journey is 30 minutes. That 30 minutes divided by 60, so half hour. The denominator, LCM of denominator is x into x plus 40. Multiply and divide by x plus 40 for this term. Multiply and divide by x. 400 into x plus 40 minus 400x upon x into x plus 40 equals to half. Open the bracket. 400x plus 16,000 minus 400x upon x square plus 40x equals to half. 400x plus and minus get cancel each other. 16,000 upon x square plus 40x equals to half. Cross multiply. 32,000 is equals to x square plus 40x. 32,000 taken to the right minus 32,000. X square plus 40x minus 32,000 equals to 0. Minus 32,000 split into two terms such that its addition is plus 40, multiplication is minus 32,000. 200 plus 200 minus 160. X square plus 200x minus 160x minus 3200 equals to 0. X plus 200, x minus 160 equals to 0. X is equals to 200 minus 200 or plus 160. Since speed cannot be negative, therefore x is equals to 160 km per hour.